Hi folks, I just wanted to show you Aaron at Quality Grill Service just redid my barbecue grill. This is a Weber. It's about 21 years old and it was starting to look pretty rough, but I tell you, Aaron did a nice job in that you can see all this is all cleaned off, and the grill we kept. Now you can see it's wore down, but after 20 some odd years, it's still okay. We left the flavor bar, and then he put me a new bottom part in here, but I've been really well pleased. 150, 200 bucks, and less than half of what a new grill would be, and I think I can get another maybe 8-10 more years. So been real well pleased. Aaron did a nice job, got it done fairly quickly. 4 or 5 working days we get some parts. So nice job, Aaron. Hope this so if you're looking to get a grill refurbished, maybe refurbish it instead of buying a new one, might be the way to go. Thanks for watching.